Now, today we are going to discuss about electric dipole. So, for discussion of the electric dipole, simply we are going to consider one molecule. Suppose this is the hydrochloric acid, HCl, and you know this is what covalently bonded molecule is there, and here this hydrogen atom, this is what this is the less electronegative atom, and then after this chlorine, this is the highly electronegative atom. Due to this reason, the electron which is covalently bonded electrons are there, they are shifting in the direction of what? Chlorine. Due to this reason, here this hydrogen, it is become the partially positive charge, and then after this chlorine, it is become what? Partially negative charge, due to the shifting of the electron towards this, towards the chlorine, because this is the chlorine, this is what? Highly electronegative atom. Now here you have to see that this is the one system are there, in that this is the hydrogen, and then after this is the chlorine. Here this is having what? Positive charge, this is having what? Negative charge. So electric dipole, this is what? This is the system of equal and opposite charges separated by some small distance. Here you have to see this is what? One example of electric dipole. So electric dipole means what? This is the system of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Suppose for we are taking that. Suppose here this is the minus q charge that we are keeping, and then after this is the plus q charge, and suppose here, and they are separated by this. Suppose this distance we are saying that this is the 2a, right? So this system of equal and opposite charges both are separated by small distance. This is known as what? Electric dipole, right? This is the first thing is there, and the strength of this electric dipole, strength of electric dipole is measured by dipole moment. So here if you see new word that we are written, it means this is your electric dipole, and when you are going to measure the strength of electric dipole, so this, and the strength of electric dipole is measured by dipole moment. So what is the meaning of dipole moment? Next topic, this is the dipole moment. What is the meaning of dipole moment? So dipole moment already that we have written, it measures the strength of what? Electric dipole, and this is the vector quantity. It is represented by vector p, and if this dipole moment, if this is the vector quantity, definitely it is having magnitude and direction. So it is directed from negative to positive charge. Suppose this is the dipole we are making, plus q, and this is the minus q and plus q. Here this is the center of electric dipole. So this length, suppose this is the a, this is the a. So direction of dipole moment, this is the negative to positive, right? And numerically, how we can define this electric dipole? This is electric dipole, this is the vector p. This is equal to the product of the magnitude of either charge. Means suppose this is the minus q charge, or this is the plus q charge, you have to take the magnitude, so positive that we are getting that. So electric dipole moment is defined as numerically, this is the product of magnitude of either charge and their separation that we are saying that this is the vector 2a, we are making this is the 2a, this is the vector, because in this side what we have written vector and charge, this is the scalar quantity. So 2a distance from minus 2 to plus q, right? Or if you are right in magnitude, P equal to q into 2. There is no problem, right? if you want to write the SI unit of the electric dipole, so SI unit of electric dipole is what? SI unit, electric charge, this is the coulomb and this is the length, coulomb into meter. This is the SI unit of the electric dipole moment, right? After this one, we are going to discuss about so we have studied about the electric dipole means system of equal and opposite charges that is separated by some distance. So next topic that is related to the electric field. Electric field at an axial point of a dipole. This is means we want to calculate the electric field or strength of electric field at an axial point of electric dipole. Suppose here this is the dipole. We are making this is one dipole is there. Suppose this is the AB. Here this is the minus q charge and then after this is the plus q charge. Here this is the center of electric dipole. Length, suppose this is the A and here this is A. And suppose this line is what? This is the axial line. And on this axial line, suppose this point P. And at this point P, we want to calculate the strength of electric field, right? So suppose from the center, the distance of this, we are going to assume, suppose this is the, suppose here you have to see this is the plus q charge is there. So due to plus q charge, the electric strength of electric field at this point, suppose this is the vector, this is the E1 simply that we are saying. And due to the minus q charge, suppose this is what? In this direction, this is what? E2. And here you have to see that the strength of electric field, it depends upon the distance. This is closer and in comparison to this one, therefore E1 this is the greater than what? E2. So this is very clear that E1 this is greater than what? E2, because this positive charge is very closer to this one negative charge, and this distance if we are going to calculate from B to P, this is what? This is the R minus A, and if you are going to calculate this distance of this point, so this is the R plus P, right, from this point. Now if E1 is the electric strength of electric field at point P due to this positive charge, so this we can calculate E1, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi magnitude that we are writing, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught this is, and then after charge this is the Q, and their separation from this to this that we are written, this is the R minus A square. So R minus A whole square is there. And here you have to see, this is what? Away from this E1, this is the away from this electric, the direction of this E1 is what? Away from the electric dipole. And E2, this is the towards the dipole. Now second, E2 that in magnitude same we are writing that if E2, this is the strength of electric field at point P due to the minus q charge. So this is the E2 we are writing here. This is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q, and distance from this to this is the R plus A whole square. Now if E axial we want to calculate, so here you see the net electric field at axial point, E net or E axial, this is equal to E1 minus E2. Condition is that E1 this is the greater than E2 and they are what? Opposite in direction, therefore that is the minus sign. So E1, this is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q R minus A whole square minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q, this is the R plus A whole square. Now after this one you have to take out the something is common in that. So E axial, this is equal to what? Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. You have to take out 4 pi epsilon naught. Then within the bracket, this is the r minus a whole square minus half r plus a whole square. Take the LCM. So this is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here this is the r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square. LCM, this is what? R minus a whole square and r plus a whole square, right? This we are written. Here you have to use a plus b whole square and here a minus b whole square r. You have to see this is the a square minus b square. So in one bracket you have to add and in another bracket you have to subtract, and this Q 4 pi epsilon naught. In one bracket you have to add both r plus a plus r minus a, and in one bracket you have to subtract both r plus a minus r plus a. Right? R plus a minus, so this is minus and then this will become the plus. And here this you have to write r minus a and r plus a whole square. This we are writing. Both squares are there, so single square that we are writing. Now this is the cancel out. Here this is cancel out. So Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is the r and naught. This is the 2r, and here this is the 2a, and then after this is the r square minus a square, and then after whole square. So one thing you have to see that Q into 2a, the magnitude of either charge into their separation. This is the dipole moment. So this and this we can write, this is the P. So this is become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here 2r into P upon r square minus a square. This is E axial. Now one condition is there, if this distance is very greater than in comparison to this a, so a square, this is the very less than in comparison to what? R square. So if r, this is the very greater than a, so a square that we can what? Neglect, then what we will get? This is equal to, here we are writing 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is the P into 2r. Upon this we can neglect, so this is r power 4. This is the cancel out, here this is the 3. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. So what we are calculated here, you have to see E axial. Here you have to see so E axial, what we are calculated? E axial, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. This we are calculated, right? So this is the strength of electric field at point P on axial line of electric dipole. If in vector form, if you are going to write, so this is dipole moment, this is the vector quantity. So E axial in vector form, this is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p vector upon this is the r cube in vector form.